So now we're going to prepare a program for this profile, turning profile. The length is given as 15 mm step turning, then this is 10 mm and having one radius of 5 mm. So total length is 15, 15, 30, 40 and 45. So we'll start with G28, G98, T07, 07 is the tool number. Then we'll start the spindle. Spindle speed is given. G0 rapidly goes to this safe position, X minus 30 and Z2. Now we'll move the tool to this first position here, that is X minus 25. Then we'll take first move of the tool complete up to the length of 45 mm. The first tool travel complete a facing operation, facing type of operation. So Z minus 45 with start feed 200. Then again move to the safe location X minus 30, Z 2.0. Now rapidly go to the first position, this X minus 20, okay, and take a turning up to Z minus 30.0, okay. So this will be, this much amount will be removed. Then rapidly goes to X minus 30, Z minus Z 2.0. Then from this we have to move to, we have to remove this 10 mm. So there we can first move up to this position, G00, X minus 15.0. So this is 15. So first we will remove this amount, G01, Z minus 15.0. Then G00, X minus 30, Z 2.0. Then goes to G00, X minus 10.0 and G01, Z minus 15.0. So this amount will be removed. Then we'll move the tool to X minus 10. Then this much amount will get removed. Now again goes to X minus 30.0, Z 2.0. Now take the tool to this X0, Z0. Then you will have to take a circular interpolation in clockwise direction up to X minus 10.0 and Z minus 5.0 with radius 5.0, and we'll take a feet of 100. Sorry, it's 100. Then you will get this curve. The tool will be here. interpolation. The tool is here. Now move the tool to the for final cut. Take the tool to Z minus 15.0. Move the tool to this position, X minus 20.0. From here, this is in Z direction, G01, Z minus 30.0, then X, G01, X minus 25.0, G01, Z minus 45.0. Then move the tool to X minus 30.0, Z 2.0, and stop the spindle, take to reference point and stop